Are you a commercial real estate investor looking for your next solid investment property? There's one asset that holds steady and passive returns, and that is commercial real estate with a strong triple net lease in place with high-quality tenants that have successfully weathered this pandemic. Seraphin Real Estate is proud to exclusively offer this prime triple net commercial investment opportunity in Loudoun County, Virginia. Located in the wealthiest county in the United States, this property is fully leased to an advanced accredited Montessori School that has been successfully operating at this location since 2010. This investment offers an annual net operating income of over $246,000 per year and an extraordinary 3% rent increase annually. 11 years are remaining on the lease, and with the tenant paying property expenses, this is perfect for passive investors and those searching for a 1031 replacement property. And best of all, this $3.65 million property offers a 6.76 cap rate, not to mention the 3% per annum increases. Protect, secure, and complement your property investments. Contact Seraphin Real Estate at 703-261-4809 or visit seraphinre.com for more details.